What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is how to turn a speeding ticket. Is that the title? No, it ain't. How a speeding ticket turned into a felony is the title, man. You know I give it to you guys raw and uncut, man. We don't do no edits, you hear me? Let's get into it, man.
On June 3rd, 2023, police conducted a traffic stop on a speeding vehicle. They'll be surprised by what they find.
Hey, Deputy Allen Santa Rosa County Sheriff's Office. The reason why I stopped you is the speed limit's 35 down this road.
And I was doing at least about 38 at the most.
No, I have you locked in on my calibrated.
Can I see that?
It's calibrated on my vehicle. You're not going to see it, but...
There's no way to show me because I'm very careful with that because I have a clean driving record and I try to keep it that way.
Okay.
Because I drive for a living.
Where are you headed to tonight?
I'm headed down to Point Solana Place, to where I'm staying at right now.
Okay, so you're not on Ventura?
No, my aunt and uncle sold my house out from underneath in March, so... Yeah.
They sold it out from underneath you?
Yes.
So, like, were you renting and then they...
It was rental. Oh, it's a long story. It's
okay.
Such bullshit, though. To be honest, I just... Yeah, so...
Okay. You got insurance and registration?
It's... Like I said, I had moved out of the house. So... It should all be in there.
It's going to be a little strip of paper, which is, yes, your sticker comes on.
And I have it in a plastic thing, but I have 11 grandbabies. But I know I was not speeding. If anything, I didn't see that guy that was walking.
Yeah, you almost clipped him.
And he was black.
Okay, I know. I saw he was wearing something.
Like, idiot. Like, thank God, you know, like I said, I'm a professional driver, so I drive the car, so
it's going to be this piece here.
See, I'm not used to being pulled over, so I don't know what that, you know.
There's another one in your lap. This one's the good one, I think. $37 to $24, yeah. Hang on to those for me. Just got an FR suspension. So I'm gonna pull that. If you'll work on that, seeing while speeding.
Okay, simple speeding ticket should be no problem. In and out. Let's see how this thing escalates, boy. Cause man, oh man. But on another note, why are so many people disorganized with their paperwork? Like when I drive, like I got everything in one envelope. Like I could just grab the envelope, boom, here you go. Here's everything you need that you're gonna ask for: license, registration, and insurance. You know what I'm saying? Like, well, my license ain't in there, but you know, everything is supposed to be together. You know, so that way, when you do get pulled over, because it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when you get pulled over. Eventually, everybody will get pulled over for something, I believe. But you don't got to be fumbling around and stuff like that. By the time you pull up, you already got it.
Yeah, it's 42 and 35, and then she has an FR suspension, so find out the dates and everything on that.
And I'm not being, because like I said, I have a good driving record, and haven't had any tickets, and I wanted to keep it that way because I tried not to speed ever, and I was trying to keep it under 40 on mine, so
okay.
I don't see how it was 42 at all.
All right, Miss Black, just step out for me, okay? We're gonna talk back here.
Showtime! It's showtime, baby.
Because I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle.
For what reason, though?
Because I'm asking you to step out. At this point, no, there doesn't. Supreme Court says that I can. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to make you get out of this vehicle.
And we don't have to get like that. We ain't going to be like that with a woman like that. I'm going. It's not what they do like that.
Step out.
Are you serious?
You can put all that paperwork over there and everything. Step out of the vehicle, put the paperwork down, and step out.
That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm talking about. This is ridiculous. I'm calling my lawyer right now, too.
That doesn't need to happen.
I am calling.
Stop. Stop.
I'm not even resisting.
Stop.
What am I doing? I'm not even resisting, sir. I'm not.
Put her in
even
handcuffs.
I'm
done.
I'm not even resisting because I said I'm calling my lawyer.
Let go.
Let go of the phone.
No,
Let go of the phone.
it's my right to call my lawyer, right?
No.
I need. For what? I haven't done anything.
Well, you can be detained.
For what, though?
If they have reason to
No,
detain you,
tell me.
can you
For
stop
what?
talking?
No, because I want answers.
If I'm about to give you the answers, but you won't stop running your mouth.
Oh.
Okay, listen. If the deputy believes that he has a reason to detain you, we can detain you. Doesn't mean you have to call Laura. That's what we read your Miranda for.
Because there was no reason to have me out of the car.
Do you have a
Pennsylvania
I
versus
don't even have no panties on, no.
Pennsylvania versus Mims is a state Supreme case law. We can remove people from a vehicle for our safety.
No, I want. What about my safety? What about my safety?
Traffic stops are concluded to be mere inconveniences to people who are driving. You're safe right now.
All of you know I'm not safe. Not with you guys.
No, that's your own problem, not ours.
No. After everything you see today, I want a sergeant out here now. I want Sergeant Miller.
Take a seat.
He's working the interstate right now. He's not working on
Well, tell
patrol.
him I would like to speak with him.
No.
Take a seat.
And sir,
This isn't pick and choose.
We'll talk, okay? Okay, well, like I said, I ain't wearing any panties.
I'm not looking at anything.
Well,
Ma'am, have a seat.
I'm trying to get up here, okay? And it's kind of hard.
Okay, just have a seat.
Well, can I get some help? My God. I'm in handcuffs, and it's
trying
a
to pick
step
you up a
up.
little bit.
Thank you. Jesus, have a little respect for somebody. And I want to start.
All right, Miss Black, you're going to jail. Resisting an officer, possession of drug paraphernalia for the meth pipe, and possession of marijuana.
I'm going to take where no bullshit.
It was in your purse.
In a pink purse, my pink purse.
It was in your purse.
A purse.
Okay. Again.
What purse? I'd like to see that purse.
Okay. Where's the purse at?
My pink purse. You found it for the meth pipe. That's bullshit.
The one that had all your stuff in it.
That's not my purse.
Okay,
That's
well.
Susie Moore's purse I just dropped off. My purse is the pink one.
Okay. Well.
It's
Yeah.
the pink.
That's got your
That's
stuff.
not-
That's got your
Oh,
stuff
no,
in
it
it.
does not.
Anyway, we're not going to
My
argue here on the
wallet
side of the road.
is not my purse.
This is what you're going to jail
Officer,
for.
you
I've
know,
already told you, and you're also
my
going to get.
wallet
You're
that I
gonna,
gave you my ID, my driver's license. Was
You're
it in
also
that
gonna-
purse? No,
you're also
it wasn't.
gonna-
It was in the. Sir, that's not my purse. You can't take
Okay.
me
That-
to
you-
jail for that. That's
Yes, I
not
can.
mine.
Yes, I
It's
can.
why it's not mine. I swear to God, that's
Again.
not mine. My purse is
Okay.
the pink one.
Again.
You seen the pink purse
again.
in there?
Okay. Again.
How is this right? This is not
Again.
right.
This is what's going to happen. You're also going to get a citation because your license is suspended.
For what?
You're going to have
This
to
is all
contact
news to me.
DHS.
How can I contact? How is this all happening? That is not my purse. That is Susie
You'll
Moore's
have your
purse.
opportunity in court.
No, how is this right? How is this right? That's not right. This is not right.
You'll have your opportunity in court and shut the door. Oh man. Oh man. Listen, that's why you gotta watch who you have in your vehicle and stuff like that, man. If they got stuff like that, and you, whatever, whether she's telling the truth or not, shit, you gotta eat that one.
Sir, this is not right. How is this right? Oh, this is okay. I'm gonna beat this because this is straight bullshit. How is this okay? And y'all are okay with this? Y'all do people this way and you're okay with it? You know that's not right. That's not my damn purse. And I can prove it if y'all give me my phone. Because like I just told him, I just dropped a friend off. My purse is the pink one. Are you kidding me? This is so crazy. And my wallet, and when I pulled out my wallet with my driver's license, he knows I did not pull it out of that purse. I pulled it out of my pink one. He knows that. How is this okay? This is not okay. Y'all set people up for... What the hell?
43062.
Lord be with them. Lord, please be with them. Y'all are supposed to protect and serve. What are you protecting? You're lying. Straight lying. Protect and serve what? We're supposed to teach our children to look up to y'all and to trust y'all, to protect and serve, and look what you're doing. This is totally wrong and you know it. And taking me to jail on something that's not even true and correct. And are okay with that. That's bullshit.
Yeah, but that, you know, that sounds good if that was the only charge. You have multiple different charges. So you're going to jail for multiple different things. That's not the only thing.
The suspect was charged with possession of a controlled substance without prescription, possession of drug equipment, obstruction without violence, driving while license canceled, suspended, or revoked, smuggling a controlled substance into a county detention facility, possession of a weapon or ammo by a convicted felon, and marijuana possession less than 20 grams.
Wait.
The prosecutor...
Wait. Smuggled what? Wait, what? Smuggled contraband, controlled, defined, and what? Hold up. She had something in the cooter? Did she have something in her cooter, man? She said she wasn't wearing no drawers, man. She smuggled something into the facility. Was she hiding something in her cooter, man? That's what I'm trying to say. What?
The suspect was charged with possession of a controlled substance without prescription, possession of drug equipment, obstruction without violence, driving while license canceled, suspended, or revoked, smuggling a controlled substance into a county detention facility, possession of a weapon or ammo by a convicted felon, and marijuana possession less than 20 grams. The prosecutor decided to not take action on the marijuana possession charge. This case is currently open. She was found guilty of another felony in Santa Rosa County back in 2004 on March 15th for possession of a controlled substance ×2.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.